the Sonshine Enterprise and the Sonshine Grind. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be giving you guys part one of a 3-part series on drop shipping. So today we are going to be covering 5 reasons why you should drop ship. So before I start teaching you guys about drop shipping, it's really important that I teach you why you should drop ship, so you can understand if it's something that's good for you and your business or something that you don't want to do. Alright, part 2 of this series is going to be 5 tips on how to actually set up your drop shipping store, and I'll teach you guys all the websites to use, all the tools, all that good stuff. And then part 3 of the series is going to be 5 tips on how to market your drop shipping store. So those are the 3 parts. So let's go ahead and jump into today's part 1. Alright, reason number 1 why you should drop ship: it's affordable. Okay guys, nothing is free in this world, right? So it's not exactly $0 to set up a drop shipping store. It's about $42, and that $42 is going to be your custom domain, which I always suggest that a person does, versus having that really long non-customized domain, which might say Shopify.store. #C13.com. Like, you don't want that. You want it to be mystore.com, something very easy and quick for your customers to remember and tell other people about and be able to reach themselves, right? You also have to pay for your website hosting fees, which is going to be roughly $15 to $30 a month, depending on which platform you use. There's quite a few different platforms that you can use. You can use Wix, you can use Shopify, you can use Squarespace, you can use a custom one such as Redbubble, which is just a drop shipping platform. There are a wide variety of platforms that you can use, but that is a monthly fee. So you'll pay about $42 to get started. 2 other fees that I want you guys to consider that you should go ahead and invest in very soon after starting to make money on your dropshipping store is going to be your business license, which can range between $50 and $100. That way you can go ahead and get a business bank account and set things up correctly structurally when it comes tax time, right? The second thing that I encourage you to invest in is going to be your actual samples, right? So if you want to do custom shoots with your merchandise, I would suggest $50 to $100, and that way you will get anywhere between 3 and 8 pieces that you can model or someone else can model for you. You can have those custom images on your website. Please keep in mind that you will get some great mock images when you use Printful, Printfile, no matter what the platform is that you choose for drop shipping. Alright, tip number 2. It's very easy to get started and there's no overhead. Like, you don't have to pay for inventory or things like that. You literally are paying every time someone pays for the merchandise. Like, they just send you your cut of it. So for example, if a piece of merchandise costs $10 to be produced and you're selling it for $20, they're just going to send you a deposit of $10, which is the difference between the item and, you know, how much the customer paid. And that's that. You don't have to ever pay for inventory unless you would like to, and I'll jump more into that in the part 2 of this series. Tip number 3. This is a great way to share your brand. So when you wear your brand, for example, I'm wearing a Sonshine Grind piece, and this says, "These boots are for baby feeding, not men pleasing," right? So this is a great conversation piece. People will say, "Oh, that shirt's so cute, it's so different, whatever," and they ask me where I got it. I tell them sonshinegrind.com. Boom, I have someone that is a lead for a new customer. So wearing your brand is a great conversation piece, not only for you, but for your customers as well. They're going to be wearing your pieces. People are going to say, "Oh, I like that." They're going to tell them they bought it from your site, right? Word of mouth referral is great. So it's a great way to share your brand when you have other items for sale outside of just the things that you're selling on your dropshipping store. For example, I offer services. People come to the Sonshine Grind website, they learn about Sonshine Enterprise, right? You can do the same thing right now if you are someone who offers particular digital products or services. You can have these drop shipping items on that same site or on a different site that can house your merchandise, and you can have these conversation pieces getting started. Tip number 4. You can easily change your design per season. So with drop shipping, all you have to do is upload your design. So if you want to put a Santa Claus hat on it in December, boom, you upload that design and it's available immediately for people to purchase. So it's very easy to change your designs for every season, every holiday, etc. Tip number 5, there's no storage. You don't have to pay for any inventory unless you would like to. And Printful will actually house your inventory for you. So if you want to pay for things in advance because you know you're about to have a sale or something, they will then be available to offer next day shipping. So that's pretty cool. If you do want inventory, you still don't have to have that storage in your house. So it's not the same as if you are running an actual business and actually printing it yourself. For example, upstairs I have all the equipment to actually make merchandise here. So I have a silhouette, I have a heat press. I need space to actually weed and things like that, and I need space to actually put together the shipping. So I have a big table up there. I have a whole cabinet full of like hoodies and t-shirts and things that people buy, and yeah. So keep in mind, no storage. That's another great reason why you should drop ship. So those are my 5 quick reasons why you should drop ship. And I hope you guys are interested in setting up your own drop shipping store. It's a great way to make money, tell people about your brand, and you heard the other reasons. Alright guys, so tune in to part 2 and part 3 of this drop shipping series so that you can learn how to set up your drop shipping store as well as how to market your drop shipping store. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until the next video, peace.